Plug in the USB cable and power cord. Long press the power button to switch on. Waiting for the machine to return to its position. Open the machine cover. Place the item to be engraved. Adjusting the laser module focus. Note, laser engraving is most effective when the focusing bar is just touching the engraved item. Double-click to open LaserGRBL. Connecting the machine. COM port numbers vary from computer to computer. Drag in the image to be engraved. Adjust brightness, contrast, and white limits as needed. Select line-to-line tracking. Select horizontal for orientation. Quality input 14. Rotate or flip the image as desired. Click Next. Setting engraving parameters. Note, parameter settings are different for different materials, so you can set the parameters according to your own needs. Speed, mm/min, equals 20,000. Click to select M4, Dynamic Power. Maximum power, percent, equals 1000. Width 40, height 51.5. Click on Create. Click on the frame to define the engraving area. Click the Start button to begin engraving. Cutting parameter settings. Put on the air hose. Connecting the air pump. Drag in the image to be cut. Click to select Centerline. Rotate or flip the image as needed. Click Next. Setting cutting parameters. Note, parameter settings are different for different materials, so you can set the parameters according to your own needs. Speed, mm/min, equals 200. Click to select M3, Constant Poxer. Maximum power, percent, equals 1000. Set the width and height according to the size you need to cut. Click to create. Click on the frame to define the cutting range. Click on the Start button to begin cutting.